Do you want to be left behind? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 trending platforms to try in 2024 or risk being left behind. The world is constantly changing, especially here in 2024, and so we and the way we communicate with people need to constantly be changing and adapting as well. For nonprofits, this willingness to change is going to make or break whether or not we're able to reach people with our message of hope, healing, and light online. It's that simple. We've done the research, and these are the 3 platforms we believe are going to be the best game changers for you in 2024, especially here in the digital space. And trust us, you do not want to be left behind from these. First up, CapCut. As a video editor, can confirm that CapCut is video editing made easy. What sets CapCut apart from other video editing softwares or platforms is how easy it is to use and how much you can do with it absolutely for free. But it doesn't stop there. While CapCut short form video editing has been around for some time now, CapCut has also released a completely free desktop video editing software. Like, they're just up-leveling, up and up and up and up. I love CapCut. I've loved them since the start. They're great. Personally, I use CapCut every day for personal content that I create, and I also know our awesome video editor uses it from time to time as well, which, by the way, can we just give a shout out to Mohammed? He's doing an incredible job with our videos lately, and we're so excited to be able to pump out more and more content for all of you thanks to him. As Mohammed will help us demonstrate now, CapCut can do cool effects like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. So thanks, Mohammed. Let him know what you think of the new edits in the comments below. Platform number 2 to try in 2024 or risk being left behind is Threads. People never quite know what to expect when Meta comes out with something new. Instagram stories, not sure how it's gonna do with it, and now we're on it every day. Instagram Reels, kind of sounds like TikTok, not sure it's gonna fly, and then most of us are on it every day now. Threads, honestly, I'm on it every day now already. If you're not familiar with Threads, it's much like X, formerly Twitter. However, I think Threads allows for more intimate conversations and connections than I've seen on social media in such a long time. Specifically, interactions within your niche or whatever topics you're talking about on Threads already. You know how when your phone is kind of in the room or you search something on your phone and all of a sudden all of your ads are coming up with this thing that you just said to someone in the room, or this thing you searched real quick one time. Now your phone's showing you all these ads related to that thing you just said off the cuff. Threads gives me those kind of vibes, but for the content that you're posting or the posts that you're already commenting on. Kind of like TikTok when we first started with it, right? Every time we did something, we were training the algorithm. Well, the Threads algorithm is definitely keeping up, just like TikTok was. This is worth paying attention to. This is huge, and we are still in the early days of this, which means Threads has huge potential for nonprofit leaders, spiritual leaders to connect with others who will care deeply about the causes they care about. You just have to remember one important rule. Be a person. Okay, maybe more rules. Be authentic. Be real. Don't try to market, because Threads just doesn't deal well with that. And hopefully it won't for a long time. Be yourself. Care about what you care about and talk about that. Don't try too hard. That's Threads. Kind of reminds me of TikTok in the early days, doesn't it? Worth paying attention to. We are in the early days of Threads, my friends. Last but not least, well, before I tell you about this last one, because now I'm thinking about how quickly the digital landscape is changing in 2024 and just in general, and you might be wondering, great, I see this video at the beginning of the year or some time throughout the year, but what if I have more questions? What if it's a year later and I have questions about updates? Wouldn't it be nice to have someone like me in your back pocket that you could call on and ask the questions and I could answer, no matter if it's when I'm creating a video or a different day of the week? Yeah, that's why we created the Hub, Digital Communications Training Hub. I'm gonna link it below. Not only do we have a bunch of trainings already in the Hub, downloadables, a full-length course, webinars, and more, but we are also available to answer your questions from Hub members. Within a matter of days, we're gonna give you a personalized reply. If you need a video walkthrough, a training, something digital communications related you need to see, we're gonna film that, we're gonna send to you, and probably upload it in the Hub to help other people who might be wondering it as well. If you just need an email reply, we can get that to you faster. But unfortunately, we are very, very backed up on YouTube videos, so you can drop questions below about updates to the digital landscape in 2024. But I'm telling you right now, we're already booked out a couple of months with our YouTube content, and so I just can't keep up with your questions as fast as possible because we are prioritizing videos and content for those people in the Hub. So if having a digital guide in your back pocket or seeing some of those additional trainings, webinars, videos, downloadables would be helpful for you, grab an annual or monthly membership to the Hub below. And I'll see you in there. That would be so fun. All right, last but not least, number 3 trending platform for 2024 that you need to try so you're not left behind, ChatGPT. You know it was coming, right? Despite being out for like a year, the digital landscape has been completely changed by ChatGPT and other platforms like it. AI, actually called natural language processing technology, will change has changed and will continue to change the way that we interact with one another and with technology over time. So what does this mean for nonprofits, and how can we make use of this AI, this ChatGPT kind of technology? It could mean some kind of chatbot that can assist you with inquiries that come in. It might be able to provide resources or information to people with questions. It could even create some outbound messages to donors seeking donations, seeking connections, whatever you're looking for at the time. ChatGPT might just provide you with social media ideas or ideas in general about what you can do with your ministry, with your community, or nonprofit. The best part about ChatGPT is it is free to use, at least for now. So make your life easier with ChatGPT and other AI tools, but please do not overuse AI. People can tell and you sound like a robot. So just please stop. That's it for today. I'm Sammy. If this was helpful for you, just subscribe below.